Happy Wednesday! We're finally here, hump day. So today you are going to be going on MobyMax for your async time. Please make sure you do the opener first. That should only take you a couple of minutes. If you need help with that, click on this little link here and it'll give you a little video that'll get you started because it's an area model and it's multiplication. It's something we haven't done before. So please watch the video and I give you 3 answers in the video. So I would go to it. After that, click on MobyMax. Most of you have not started your initial placement test, so please click on that and complete that placement test. You need to do 30 minutes on MobyMax this week in order to get credit for today. So I would just get it all done in this setting because you can do that. When you're done with MobyMax, you're going to do the exit ticket. Oops, I forgot to tell you that if you already have done the initial placement test, I might have made you redo it because you scored really low because I think you just clicked. But if I didn't make you redo it, then just go on and do your math pathway, click on math and do whatever it tells you to do because those are the skills it has learned that you need to do. Then you're going to do this quick exit ticket, and if you need help with the exit ticket, there is a little quick video for you to watch as well.